Hi, I'm Lucas 10, and this is my tutorial 6 for Comp 2406. All that needs to be shown here, I think, is problem number 4, just to make sure that these numbers are outputted in our code, and I guess also this. So yeah, let's just run this for right now. Let's just run the program, and here we can see all of the different links I can use. So we can go to greeting, and here it shows the 200 for the success code. Let's do this one. Here it is. And once again, it has these numbers. Now, I'm assuming that the 304 is like, it's either for pictures like these JPEGs, or it's for previously cached memory. I'm not sure. And cool. I think that's just about it. Thank you.